Hey guys, Grease Monkey 34 here, coming to you a video about my homemade Honda case tractor build. We got some snow on the ground, so I'm thinking I'm going to be taking the weights off on the front and making a nice mountain hitch somewhere back here, I think, for a snowplow blade, which I'll come show you. But I got to get this thing started. We gotta move the truck out of the way, which had not been plugged in for like a whole month. And we gotta go dig up the snow blade. So hey, you like being on camera? Yeah. Well, she is a 56 inch or a 54 inch snow blade I had for my Craftsman tractor build on 6-wheel drive. So it should be wide enough, but we'll see. I'm gonna have to dig it out. Probably have to get a friend to move it with me. And yeah, I'll get it out of the way. Not been plugged in for about a month. So let's see how it goes. Probably have to do the probably have to fire over the glow plugs a little bit. Turn that off. Get this in a couple cycles. Kayla. What? You like the snow? Yeah, you like the fresh snow. Hey, pup. Give it one more cycle. Hey, Kira. Will the truck start? Will the truck start, Kira? Will it? Hey, will it start? What a brat. Let's see if the 7.3 power stroke will fire up without being plugged in. It's minus 15 right now, so let go. Fires right up. Okay, let's see if this thing fires up. I'm gonna put the choke on. You just run it over, and now it didn't piece it. Okay, I get to move this tractor. Get that blade because it's a little bit heavy. pretty slow. Hey Kira, you go faster? Yeah? I can go and go over there. Come on! Get her nice and lined up in here. That should be good. That should be all good. Thinking using maybe these mounts back here somehow. So, yeah. So I have to get doing that. Okay guys, this is a 67-inch blade. A little bit longer than I thought it was. And the front axle is about 60 inches and the rear axle is 82.5. So yeah. It'll be fine. A little bit wider tires on the rear. It'll be fine. It should push some snow good though. Okay, I get these weights off. Oh, I use some 3/4 inch. Wrench it. We're gonna put them on there and then I'll take them off. So I'll get back to you when I can use 2 hands. Okay guys, got it into place. That's where she's gonna sit. And this is how I'm gonna have it on the back because I want this bar in the front here nice and level, which it is. So I'm gonna keep like that and just make some little brackets from here, bolted onto there, as you can see, down to here. I don't want to do anything to the blade because that blade works on the quad, the tractors. So got to make a mount to make it work on here. So yeah, it's just a little bit wide on the front, but it's not as wide as the back. So if you want to make it wide, I can put some wings on it to make it clear, but I think it'll be fine. But yeah, tomorrow I'm going to get started on this and I'll get back to you. So step 1 is going to be lining up the blade, which I got, and I'm going to be I cleaned out these holes for the new bolts I'm going to be putting in, which are these heavy duty things. So I'm going to clean those out. I'm going to be screwing them in with the wrench, making sure that the threads are all nice and clean. Okay guys, I found these steel plates in my pile of scrap. So there's a big hole right there. So I filled it with some nice steel and some weld. But these nice plates are 3/8 thick, so they're pretty thick. And they're lined up like perfect with the holes. So I'm not going to drill 2 holes and bolt that sucker right up there. But for my blade right now, I'm going to be using this hole. But it's the same size of the blade. But later on, if I want to put a bigger snowplow blade, I can use this 1-inch pivot. I think that would be nice and strong for a bigger blade later on, but this will do for now. Trying to get the drill in these holes and I'll be back. Okay guys, I got it all drilled out, as you can see, 2 big holes. And now to put the bolts on and see how it look. Okay guys, got it bolted on. It's good and solid, not going to move anywhere. And it will line up with this one. So I'm going to put a shaft going across and put some cotter pins so it's easy to take off and on. Of course it's going to stick down lower. So if I'm going off-road or something, it'll be fine. But down there, it's pretty low on the hitch down there, so it's almost the same height, I think, as this. So it'll be fine. But yeah, this is a good mounting points for a whole bunch of different stuff now. So I'm going to bolt that one on and I'll be back. Okay guys, I got the pin cut in a 5/8 pin. There's a bit, got a cotter pin on this side too. And I got some spacers to space it out in here and along the center. So nice and solid. Can't wiggle it back and forth. So it's solid on there. And yeah, tomorrow I'm going to rig up a arm to lift it up and down. Because I don't have a winch right now. But yeah, arm will work fine with a lever up on top. So I only get to get making that, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, I made an arm up. That was some nice heavy duty tube. I welded a nice bushing onto it with a grease nipple. It's a 5/8 bolt going through the bushing, so it's good and strong. Then I got a nice chain, adjustable up here, and it gets no more clips. Now go down to the blade to hold it up like this, and now go up and down. It mostly stays straight when the blade is fully up, and when the blade go down, this comes down. Then on this, I'm gonna clamp a cable onto it and make it run all the way up to up here for a lifting arm for the person who have it driving, mostly me probably. So what I want to do is put a bracket down here, because this is a good heavy steel, and make a pivot point for another arm to come up here. And yeah, and it run a cable, and then that moves me on my lifting blade to lift the blade up. So I'm gonna find something I can use for a lifting bar, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, I got this somewhat completed. As you can see, there's a nice all welded up, and that is for these bushings I got. These rubber bushings. They'll make it flex a little bit, so I can move the thing side to side about 1.5 inches, so I can hook it onto like a hook to pull it up. So I'll show you in a bit. Okay, guys, I got the other arm on, as you can see, and it's pretty simple to get at, just like that. I just welded it right to this piece of chain angle iron, because I can always use that adapter plate. So yes, and then I got a piece of a 1/4 inch cable running to the front, all adjustable if I need to. Now on the side there, as you can see, I got a piece of a 1/4 inch, about 1 inch wide, bent it into like a hoop, so it'll catch the arm here and keep it up. And I got this piece of chain on here to keep it from pulling all the way forward. So right now right down it's pretty loose, so the blade can go down a little bit when I'm driving. But yeah, so to raise it up, you just pull on this, pull back, hook it. It's pretty easy, and it can move side to side a little bit. We'll use a rubber bushing. But yeah, so let's start it up and take it for a test ride. There's not much snow out here, but there's enough. So, are you digging? Are you digging, dog? Yeah. Okay, let's see. I think it did a pretty good job. Nice and clean. So yeah, so far it's working. Don't know anymore because don't got much more snow here for now. But I'll make another video when I get some more snow. But hope you guys enjoy at how to put a homemade blade on a somewhat homemade tractor. At least this part. Well, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.